Other things we do in here is low dose naltrexone. We have many, many videos on our website about low dose naltrexone and how it can be used for a myriad of conditions, such as pain management. We've also used it to get people off of opioids. It's used for things like multiple sclerosis, also for Parkinson's disease, autoimmune diseases. People have used it for, helping to deal with addictions to things such as alcohol. But the thing about low-dose naltrexone is you need to titrate to a specific dose. So we have a little titration kit that we make up here at Town & Country Compounding. And with this, it allows us to work with you as the patient and your physician so that he or she can determine the best dosage that is appropriate for you as an individual patient. So the low-dose naltrexone, or LDN, as it's often referred to, is in this kit. And you start at a specific dose, working your way up, and you can call us here at 201-447-2020, or you can text to that number, and we can kind of help you to decide at what dose, you've achieved the, the outcome you're looking for, and then we can compound that to a dose that's appropriate for you.